Hi everyone, this video is for Module 1 of English 115. I want to take a quick second and do an overview of the module and introduce you to the assignments and point out a couple of things. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and you see now our Moodle page, and this is Module 1. You'll notice every module will be structured the same. It'll always have an overview, topic, outcomes, and task list. The task list indicates to you, okay, what do you need to do in this module? And then you'll also see resources, and you will see activities and assignments. Activities and assignments are the items that are graded within the module. So in this particular module, there'll be 2 items that will go into the gradebook: introduction forum and email etiquette assignment. The resources in each module are there to help you accomplish the level of completion you want for the assignments. They're kind of, well, resources, really what they are. That's why they're named that. But for example, how to write a professional email. You might want to review this and look this over before you actually complete the assignment, just to make sure, oh, if I want to get an A, these are things I need to adhere to in my email, in addition to the directions. So the first one I want to start with is introduction forum. You're going to see forums in every single module. Forum is just another word for discussion boards. In each one, there will be a set of directions. In other words, criteria you need to have or meet within the forum. There are 2 parts to the forum. There's always a post and a reply. You need to post no later than Wednesdays by midnight. You need to reply, have your replies completed no later than Sundays by midnight every single week. Now, post minimums, I usually tell you right here, but it's also in the syllabus and in discussion forum guidelines. It's 7 sentences. You should never have less than 7 sentences. And by the way, I just want to emphasize that's the minimum, which means that would be a C level. If you are hitting 7 sentences, you will hit the C level, 73.4%, no problem. But if you're looking to get above and beyond, if you want to get a higher grade than a C, you need to post at a higher level. So in the post, I give you, these are the items you need, and I go over the directions. I do want to emphasize, I often will allow you to do a video upload if you are techno savvy and you know how to do those things. This is one of those cases. It doesn't always have to be written out. However, I do very much emphasize you're not just reading things, and when you're writing, you're not just listing things. I want it done in narrative form. And, you know, this is, use paragraphs as appropriate, that kind of a thing. Your reply, please note, there is a minimum of 2 replies. It's in the directions. That's a general instruction you're going to see all the way through, pretty much through the entire course. Whenever you reply, you don't reply to just 1, you're going to reply to a minimum of 2. And of course, your replies need to be a minimum of 4 sentences. And as I'm recording this video, I noticed a typo. So hopefully I'll go in and clear that up for you by the time you are watching the video. And then in addition to the instructions, I give you example posts. Here's an example of someone who posts. This is an example of one of the replies to that person. And then of course the grading rubric is included. This is what you get scored on. These are the elements and how many points each one is, what level it is. Now, when you want to go to post, you go and add a new discussion topic. And then I believe in my instructions, I tell you, I'm going to scroll up here. I tell you, use your full name as topic. So when you go to post, you add a new discussion topic, and I'm just going to post my name. And then your message, you type in whatever it is, blah, blah, blah. Make sure it is adhering to the directions for posts. So you'll have to include all that information, write it in narrative form, use tools to spell check, all those kinds of things. And then when you are done, you can post to the forum. Now, you will see after people start posting, you're going to see names appear. Right now, there's only my name because the class is not yet open. I'm opening it up after I'm done with this. No one has started posting. However, if you, or when you go to do your posting, you'll see, chances are, maybe a lot of names. Maybe you'll be the first one to post. I don't know. When you see names, what the instructions say, look for someone that doesn't have replies yet. So over here, you'll notice I have no replies. So I would be a good one to reply to. The purpose of you replying to someone with no replies is that everybody gets interaction, and we don't have, you know, like 4 people getting 12 replies. So when you go to reply, it's very simple. You click into the name and then you click reply, and it will open a box, and there you go. Clickety, 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 typety, typety, type, and then you post to the forum. So now this one, if I go back, module 1, I'm going to come back in. I want to just show you. You can see I not only have done a post, but then there's a reply. Now, obviously, I don't want you replying to yourself, but I wanted to demonstrate what it might look like on the forum. So I am going to go in and delete this out by the time you're watching the video. So with any luck, you will not see my name there, but I wanted to show you how this works. The second item for this module is email etiquette forum. I'm sorry, email etiquette assignment. So with all assignments, you click into the assignment. There are usually instructions at the top. Quite often, although not always, I also include a video of me talking you through the assignment. In this particular one, there's also a grading rubric attached. It's a document, so if you want to see what I'm going to use to grade your email. And then the instruction document. This instruction document tells you what you need in your email. Very important you look at these things before you complete the assignment. So in this particular one, it tells you all the information you need for the email, and then over here, it tells you what you need in your email as well. The grading rubric is usually attached, and like I said, it's in 2 places. I'll probably pull it out of one, but I usually either give you a document or down here I give you the rubric. In this case, I gave it to you twice. I think that's it for this one. Now, I do want to point out on this, in the instructions, in this particular assignment, you're not uploading anything. You are literally sending me an email through SMC. You do need to make sure it is through the SMC email address, and you use your email, SMC email address. I only respond to official emails through the college. The rest go in my spam folder. So if you do not use SMC email address that you've been given by the college, it will not count for this assignment. So make sure you are using that email, and use my correct email as well. So this one is a little unusual in the fact that you're not going to upload. That's why you don't see any submit box or posting box, any of that kind of stuff. You are literally sending an email. I think that's it for module 1. Do reach out to me via email or text message if you need help with something, if you don't understand something. I do want to emphasize, make sure you look through the resources, particularly discussion forum posting guidelines. Look through those resources to help you. And remember, within the assignment, there's also other resources like the instructions, those kinds of things. So if you see a document file, that is usually what it is. Hope you have no issues, but if you do, reach out, no problem. And happy writing, and welcome to English 115.